A giant Rottweiler, a tiny, fearless little dog. And somehow, the tiny one became the boss. Sounds like chaos, right? But what started as confusion turned into a friendship so pure, it's impossible not to smile watching it. This is Dozer and Daisy. The first time Dozer saw Daisy, he just froze. He stared at her like, wait, what is this? Because Daisy wasn't just small, she was loud, bold, and full of attitude. Meanwhile, Dozer, huge, strong, but calm, gentle, and honestly, a little lazy. It didn't look like a match at all. But Daisy had already decided. This giant dog? Yeah, he was gonna be her best friend. So she didn't wait. She jumped right in, chasing his paws, pulling his tail, bouncing around him like a tiny ball of energy. And Dozer? He kept looking at us like, are you seeing this? But then, something unexpected happened. One day, Dozer stepped back, just a little. And Daisy? She chased him instantly. That's when everything changed. Suddenly, he realized something. He could run again. He could play. He could feel like a puppy, even in that big body. From that moment on, they were inseparable. Dozer became incredibly gentle with her. It was like he understood her size. Every movement, slow, careful, soft.